So, because we are running a square setup, we want to stiffen up the front bar to take away a little bit of steering, increase understeer, make it a little bit less scary to drive. We're going from a 26.5 AP2 front sway bar to a 32mm front sway bar. We are going to go with the softer setting, just so that it's not too much of a change. Not as extreme of a change. We can always add more later. So we're going on the outermost settings to be softer but still firmer than the OEM bar, and then you can go even firmer if you need to. Alright, so the first steps to getting the sway bar off is we might want to do the end links first and then the bushing, honestly. Just saying.
That's 14.
Okay, now is there any way to hang on to that guy so that the link doesn't spin?
The end of it is an Allen key, but I'm looking at those. We should soak those with PB Blaster too, so we're kind of SOL on that front. Because this was a Midwestern car. It didn't get a lot of rust. It does have a little bit. Oh my God! This this does not work very well.
Is it on less already?
Well, I turned it. There.
That's nice. Do that same thing on the other side. You gotta think backwards.
So
yeah, I think you're good.
It felt like I was stripping this out.
Well, it wouldn't surprise me. What size? It's a 14 nut with a...
whatever size Allen this is.
5mm Allen.
To replace it, so.
This is all in steering correction for lowering the car and also square tire setup. We're correcting our steering.
Well, that wasn't that hard.
Now we just gotta do the same thing on the other side. The bushings were 14mm. Don't strip anything now. Don't you dare strip anything.